guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay, so today I'm doing something that I've wanted to do for a long time. I wanted to show you how I make my own shea butter leave-in and shea butter, just butter creams. I've made them before, and but I never actually videoed it, so now I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making two types. I'm going to be making a leave-in cream, so a lighter fluffy cream, and a thicker butter. So I'm going to make it all from this 100% shea butter, and I'm going to be adding different essential oils. I'm just going to go through now what the oils are. Just on a side note, my hair is wrapped because I'm going to be doing my next video. I did another flexi rod set. Obviously the last one had its ups and downs, as you can see. So I'm going to show you in another video what that turns out to be. But on with the cream today. The first oil I'm going to be adding is castor oil. Castor oil is great for, it's a really thick oil, and it's great to seal edges, and it also promotes hair growth. I'm also going to be using grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a great oil for, it's actually a great heat protectant as well. So if I'm going to be doing any kind of blowouts, this will be a great thing to have in my leave-ins. And it works for all types of hair types and all types of curls. And it also promotes manageability in the hair itself. I'm going to be using almond oil. Almond oil is it's great, once again, to seal edges, to help the shaft of the hair, to smooth it out, and manageability and moisture. I'm going to be adding rose oil. Rose oil is a really great oil for low density hair. So I'm a medium to low density hair type, so this would be great for me. Also, it helps with frizz, and it strengthens the hair from the actual root itself. It's a great oil. I'm going to be adding coconut oil. Coconut oil is a really great oil to add. I'm going to be using quite a lot of it, and I don't have too much left. But yeah, it's a really great oil because it's one of the actual oils that actually penetrates the hair shaft. A lot of oils just sit on top of and seal the moisture, the water into the hair. But coconut oil is actually one of the oils that penetrates the hair from within and actually moisturizes it. So that's one of great hair for all hair types. I'm going to be adding tea tree oil. I'm going to be using this for two purposes. Also for the fact that it's great for dandruff, for itchy scalp, to cleanse the hair. It also acts as a preservative for the shea butter as well. So only a few drops goes a long way with this. But I'm going to be adding that for two purposes. Lavender is another oil that I'll be adding. It's a really great oil. Obviously, it smells really nice. But a great thing about lavender is actually used quite commonly for people who have alopecia, for the hair loss. So it helps promote hair growth and breaking, and helps to prevent breakage as well. So this is another great oil. I'm going to be using rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is another great oil for stimulating hair growth. And lastly, I'm going to be adding tangerine oil. Tangerine oil, I'm going to be using it for its fragrance, as well as the fact that, as much as a lot of these oils, they promote hair growth. It's also a great antiseptic, just like the tea tree oil. So any kind of scalp infections or anything like that, it would treat it as well. So yeah, guys, that is going to be all of the oils that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go straight ahead and show you how I mix it up. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to melt down the shea butter in a water bath. I've just boiled the kettle, so I'm going to fill it about a third of the way with hot water, about half a cup of cold water, so that it's just a little bit hotter than out of the tap. And I'm just going to leave it actually in the container, just to sit in there and to melt down, because I don't want it to be completely melted, but I want it to be soft. Got a mixing bowl, and I've got an extra tub. I'm going to put some of it back into this container, and I'm going to use that for the butter. Okay guys, so firstly I'm just going to check this is nice and soft. I'm just going to empty it out into this container. Then I'm going to just whip it slightly, just to soften it some more, smooth it out. this shea butter I've just got from my local beauty supplier. This tub was about it's 13 ounces, 375 grams, and it was about £4. So to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. Then I'm just going to whip it up. So this is looking pretty whisked now. It's looking quite fluffy and smooth already. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some of the oils to prepare the actual thicker butter version. So for the more basic butter, I'm only going to be adding a few oils. So to the solution that is currently there, I'm going to add 1 capful of castor oil. This is the Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil. So I'm going to add 1 capful of that. I'm going to add a couple of drops of tea tree oil. And I'm going to add a capful of almond oil. I'm going to mix this up together now. So I'm pretty happy with this solution, guys. As you can see, it's like icing. And now I've got this Tupperware container. It seals, it airtight seals. So whatever you use, just make sure it's airtight. And I'm just going to now put how much I want to keep for my butter into this. So I'm probably just using about 1/3 for the actual butter itself. Okay, so that's the butter done for now. I'm going to move on and now use the rest of the solution and add some more oils to make a fluffier cream. Okay guys, so I'm going to add a little bit more coconut oil, about another tablespoon. Mix this in. Okay, now that's mixed in, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I'm going to add another 2 caps of almond oil. I'm going to add a couple of drops of the rose and a couple of drops of the lavender, drop of the rosemary, lastly the tangerine. Okay, so that's all the oils added. So now I'm just going to mix this all up and the result should be my leave-in cream. So yeah guys, I'm pretty happy with that. As you can see, it's really quite smooth and quite fluffy and aerated. And hopefully it should be a really nice leave-in cream. So now I'm just going to transfer it. Just going to pour it into this. Okay guys, so that's it. So this is my thicker butter. As you can see, it's already kind of setting quite thick. and this is the leave-in, which is very smooth and looks really great. It's really kind of light and fluffy. Okay guys, so thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed my watching me make my creams. Yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out. This is nice and fluffy, and this is setting quite well. This is going to be nice and smooth as well. So yay. Okay guys, so next up I'm showing you what's under this hair this scarf in a new Flexi Rod video. And I will see you next time guys. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.